Today's international flight series is brought to you by cruiseline.com, where you can find reviews, tips, and photos from real everyday cruisers traveling all around the globe. Hey there, world travelers! We are back with our third and final episode of Quick Tips for Long International Flights. So, how are you all liking the Quick Tips format? It just seems like we are all so busy these days that these little episodes might be a bit easier to squeeze in. Let us know what you think. In any case, we're still going to create longer episodes and live streams, but this seems like it might be a welcome change of pace. Fast tips, right? All right, let's roll. Number 1, you've heard us talk about this before. Invest in premium economy or main cabin extra seats if you can. The extra legroom and sometimes early boarding make it worth the extra cost. For me, I just like the extra room to wiggle around. I'm a wiggler. But for taller people like my husband, it's an absolute must. I feel so bad for him. Sometimes he can barely fit his knees into the seat area, and then the minute that chair in front of him reclines, well, it's just going to be torture. So yeah, if you're tall, a wiggler, or both, you've got to look into this. Number 2, download some movies, podcasts, music, or entertainment onto your tablet or phone just in case you don't like the in-flight selection. You'll want to do this well in advance at home or somewhere with Wi-Fi. Movies on a plane are such a great thing. It makes the time go by so much faster, and it's great for kids too. My son loves to watch movies when traveling. On one of our long recent trips, he actually seemed disappointed that we'd arrived at our destination after 10 hours because he wanted to watch more movies. You get my drift. Number 3, pack portable device chargers. Chances are your flight will offer in-seat chargers, but in case they don't, it is best to be armed with your own. Sometimes bringing your own chargers is just easier. Rather than having cords dangling all over, I'll just connect my phone to the charger and drop it in my purse or carry-on. Super easy and no dangling cords to trip over. Number 4, get up and walk around every few hours. If you follow our drink lots of water advice from our last episode, this one will pretty much take care of itself. You'll be popping up to head to the bathroom every now and then. Just do a few mini stretches while you wait in line. It's relatively easy to stretch your neck from side to side, even while seated, and when you get up to walk, taking a few extra moments to stretch your legs, and your body feels oh so good. Number 5, pack a change of shirt and maybe even a toothbrush and some deodorant to freshen up right before you get off the plane. It is amazing how much better this can make you feel after a long flight. So, what do you all think? Are you feeling like these tips will be useful for your next long-haul flight? We most certainly hope so. If we have missed anything, let us know in the comments below. Let's all share our best airline travel tips. Wouldn't it be cool if we could all somehow make flying fun again? Remember the good old days, guys? Who knows? Maybe it's possible. Either way, we thank you all so much for hanging out with us for this series. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.